Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be doing very fine. Today we are doing a sum from JEE Advanced 2015. The sum reads like this. The number of distinct solutions of the equation 5 by 4 cos squared 2x plus cos to the power 4x plus sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 6x plus sin to the power 6x equals to 2 in the interval 0 to 2 pi is. That means we have to find what values of x will satisfy this equation. Okay, given trigonometric equation, and x value should be between this, means in this range. That means from 0 to 2 pi, not smaller than 0 and not more than 2 pi, including both 0 and 2 pi. So how we, and the answer of this question is any number. It is being told that the answer of this question is any number between between 0 and 9, both including 0 and 9. Okay, so we have to find how many solutions are there. Okay, so in this range. So how we will start? The given equation is like this: 5 by 4 cos squared 2x. Okay, and this cos to the power 4x plus sin to the power 4x, I am writing it as cos squared x plus sin squared x whole squared. Okay, so when we will expand this, what we will have? We will have cos to the power 4x plus sin to the power 4x plus 2 cos squared sin squared cos squared x plus sin squared x. But there is no cos squared x sin 2 cos squared x sin squared x is not there. So to make them equal, we have to subtract 2 cos. Okay, we have to subtract from it 2 cos squared x sin squared x to make it equal. Okay, and here also cos to the power 6x plus sin to the power 6x, I am writing it as cos squared x plus sin squared x whole cube. So when we will expand this cos squared x plus sin squared x whole cube, so what we will have? A plus b whole cube formula. Okay, so this is, you know what is the formula of a plus b whole cube. The expansion of this is a cube plus b cube. Okay, plus you multiply a and b. So ab, whatever is the sign, there is the sign plus, so plus multiplied with 3, and whatever is in the bracket, we put that. Okay, so when we will expand it, so we will have cos to the power 6x plus sin to the power 6x plus 3 times cos squared x sin squared x into bracket cos squared x plus sin squared, but that is not here, so we have to subtract that. Okay, so here we will subtract minus cos squared x sin squared x, okay, in bracket multiplied with cos squared x plus sin squared x. Okay, and here plus 2 I am bringing this side, so that will become minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so then this equation and this equation becomes equal. Okay, now see, we are simplifying it. So here first term I am writing, copying it just like that, 5 to the power 4 cos squared 2x. Okay, and cos squared x plus sin squared x value is 1. Okay, so it is 1 whole squared. Okay, so 1 whole squared we can write directly as 1. Okay, and here minus 2 cos squared x sin squared x. Okay, so that we can write it as 1 by 2 in bracket, it is 4. So 4 divided by 2, we are getting 2. Okay, and here sin x into cos x whole square. Okay, so this will become, okay, oh sorry, this become 2 sin x cos x whole square, because 2 squared will become 4, and 4 divided by 2 we are getting 2. Okay, and sin squared x cos squared x. Okay, so here plus cos squared x plus sin squared x value is 1. So 1 cube is 1. Okay, and here minus, here I am writing 3 by 4. Okay, and inside the bracket it will, we have to multiply with 4, because here I have divided this with 4, so I have to multiply with 4. So I am writing 2 sin x into cos x whole square. Okay, so 2 sin this will become 4, okay, sin squared x cos squared x, and 4 divided by 4 it will cut, so we will get 3 cos squared x sin squared x. Okay, and this value is 1 cos squared x plus sin squared x, so 1 into this will be this only, so I am writing it like that, minus 2 is equals to 0. So what we are getting here, plus 1 is plus 2 minus 2, so plus 2 and minus 2 are cancelling out. Okay, so then we are simplifying it further. Okay, so what we are getting here, here we are getting 5 by 4 cos squared 2x. Okay, and minus half, and 2 sin x cos x value is, you know, is sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Okay, so that is sin squared 2x. Okay, and minus 3 by 4, and 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, so that is, okay, sin squared 2x is equals to 0. Okay, so that is the solution. Okay, so this is simplified in this form. Okay, we have simplified it. Okay, now see here. So now we will add this minus half sin squared 2x and minus 3 by 4 sin squared 2x. So these are both sin squared 2x. So minus half and minus 3 by 4 I am adding here, and okay, in the rough column, half plus 3 by 4. So LCM is 4. 2 is going here 4 2 times. So 2 plus 4 is going in 4 1 time, 3. So that is 5 by 4. So minus half sin squared 2x minus 3 by 4 sin squared 2x is minus 5 by 4 sin squared 2x. So this become, okay, 5 by 4 cos squared 2x minus 5 by 4 sin squared 2x is equals to 0. Okay, now see here. So I am bringing minus 4 cos squared 2x that side. So this will become minus 4 sin squared 2x, okay, is equals to minus 5 by 4 cos squared 2x. So minus and minus is cutting out. 5 by 4 and 5 by 4 we can cut from both the sides. So then dividing both the side with cos squared 2x. So what we will have, dividing both the side with cos squared 2x. So this will become sin squared 2x divided by cos squared 2x, which is tan squared 2x. And here cos squared 2x divided by cos squared 2x is 1. And 1 we know is equals to 10 pi by 4. Okay, so 10 pi by 4 is 1. So 1 squared will be 1. So 10 squared 2x is equals to 1, which is 10 squared pi by 4. So what we know that if, okay, if 10 squared, we know this formula that if 10 squared x is equals to, suppose 10 squared y. Okay, so x is then equals to n pi plus minus y. if 10, this is the general solution. So if 10 squared x is equals to 10 squared y, so x will be equals to n pi plus minus pi by 4. Okay. So here we are applying this formula. Okay. So what we will have here, 10 squared 2x is equals to 10 squared pi by 4. So 2x is equals to n pi plus minus and minus pi by 4. Okay. So here we are simplifying it. I am taking the LCM of, here it is 1 denominator and here it is a 4 denominator. So 1 and 4 denominator LCM is 4. So this will become 4 and pi plus minus pi. Okay. So now what we are doing? Okay. So this is 2x value. Okay. So 2x is equals to, here taking pi common. Okay. So here it will become 4n. Okay. So here it will become 4n plus minus pi taken out. So this is 1. Okay. Whole divided by 4. So pi by 4. Okay. So x value become, here it is 2 multiplied. So 2 carrying this set, it will become divide. So pi by 8 into 4n plus minus 1. Okay. So we are getting this. Okay. Now we have to find the value of x which will satisfy this relation, and here n is what? N is the element of integer. Okay. That means positive and negative whole numbers. So now we will put the values of n integers. Okay. And check which values of x are satisfying this relation. Okay. So this is the relation I am writing here at the top. So x value is pi by 4 into 4n plus minus 1, and n is the element of integer. Now we will find out the values of x by putting different integers. Okay, and the value of x should be within this range. So let us now first put n equals to 0. Okay. So here x is equals to pi by 4. Here if I put the n value 0, 4 into 0 will be 0. Okay. So 0 plus minus 1 will be plus minus 1. So what values of x we are getting? We are getting values of x here when n is equals to 0, minus pi by 4 and plus pi by 4. But minus pi by 4 is not in this range, because we have to find the values of x which are between 0 and 2 pi. So this value is not accepted. Okay. So this is cancelled out. So this is the value accepted. Okay. Sorry. Here I have done one mistake. Here it should be 8. Okay. Here it should be 8. Sorry, pi by 8. Okay. And here it is 8. Okay. Here it is 8. And so this will become pi by 8 and pi by 4. Okay. But minus pi by 8 is not like in this range. Okay. That is between 0 and 2 pi. So this is omitted. So the pi by 8 will be accepted. Now let us put the second value, that is n is equals to 1. So when n value is 1, so put here n 1. So here it will become 4 into 1 will be 4. Okay. Plus minus 1. So we are getting here 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 pi by 8 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So that is 5 pi by 8. So both are 3 pi by 8 and 4 pi by 8 are lying in this range. So both values will be accepted. Okay. Now put the n value equals to 2. Okay. So n value now I am putting n equals to 2. So what will get the value of x? So here put the n value 2. So this will become pi by 8 into 4 to the 8. 8 plus minus 1. So this become, when I am subtracting, when I am putting here minus, so 8 minus 1 is 7. So 7 pi by 8, and when there is a plus, So this will become 9 pi by 8, and both 7 pi by 8 and 9 pi by 8 are in this range. So both are accepted. Okay. Now next put n is equals to 3. So n is equals to 3. So here x value will be what? Pi by 8 into, here put n equals to 3. Okay, so 4 into 3 will be 12. 12 plus minus 1. So when we are putting here minus, so 12 minus 1 is 11. So 11 pi by 8. And then there is a plus, so 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 pi by 8. So these two values are also lying in this range. So these two values are also accepted. Now put n is equals to 4. So what value of x we are getting? Here pi by 8, and here when I will put 4, n value 4, so 4 into 4, 16 plus minus 1. Okay, so when there is a minus sign, so here 16 minus 1 become 15. Okay, so 15 pi by 8, and when the n value is plus 1, when here it is plus 1, so 16 plus 1 is 17. So 17 pi by 8. Okay, so here it is 17 pi by 8. Okay, but 17 pi by 8 is more than 2 pi by 8. Okay, because 16 divided by 8 is 8 to just 16, but here this is 17 pi, so which is greater than 2 pi. So this value is not accepted. Okay, so this is rejected and this value is accepted. And if we will put n value greater than 4, then we will get out of range, greater than 2 pi. Okay, so what are the values of x which are satisfying this interval, okay, and satisfying the given equation? So these are the values of x. Okay, so this is pi by 8, okay, 3 pi by 8, right, 5 pi by 8, okay, and then 7 pi by 8, then 9 pi by 8, okay, 11 pi by 8, and after that 11 it is 13 pi by 8, okay, and then 15 pi by 8. So these are the values of x which are satisfying the given equation and in this range. So count now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 distinct solutions. So the answer is equals to 8. So this number 8 is lying between 0 and 9. So the answer is 8. So I hope that you must have understood this sum very clearly. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Stay fine. Thank you.